Okay, we're going to be continuing our look at division, and we'll be using the long division method again, and instead of focusing on an answer with remainders, we'll be looking at trying to find an answer which has decimal points instead. So first of all, I need to arrange my question into the right structure. So I'll have 377 divided by 6. And what I need to do firstly is continue my normal steps. So I'm going to look at, does 6 go into 3? Well, 3 is much smaller, so I know that it doesn't. So I'm going to look at, does 6 go into 37 instead? And I know that it does. So 6 goes into 37 6 times. Not perfectly, but if we do 6 times 6, I know that that is 36, and I need to do my subtraction now. 7 take away 6 is 1, 3 take 3 is 0. Check that this 1 is less than 6. It is correct, so I'm going to keep going. I'll take my 7 and bring it down, so I'll have 17 divided by 6. Well, I know that it goes in 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. Do my subtraction. We're repeating the same steps over again. 17 take away 12. 7 take 2 is 5, and 1 take 1 is 0. So I have 5 left, and that is my remainder of 5. But now that I want to find decimals, I'm not going to just leave the answer there. So first of all, I'm going to put a decimal up in the number which I originally started dividing, and I'm going to look at my remainder. Now I know it's got 5 whole remainders. 5 whole remainders is the same as 50 tenths. So now I'm going to look at how many times 6 goes into 50. And I know that 6 goes into 50 8 times. It's important to remember here that we're now talking in tenths, so I need to put a decimal point in there. It goes in 8 times. Now 6 times 8 is 48. But to get to 50, which was the number which I originally wanted to look at, I've still got 2 remainder. So I'm going to draw my extra decimal points here. We only ever go up to 3. And those 2 remainders are going to go in the hundredths column. So now I've got 20 hundredths. So if I look at how many times 6 goes into 20, well, I know that that goes in 3 times. And it has 6 times 3 is 18, so it has 18 to 20 is 2, so there's 2 remainder. Take that over to the thousandths column. 6 into 20 goes 3, and there'll be 2 remainder. Now we've already got to 3 decimal places, so we're going to leave it there. We don't have to go any further. And I know that if I kept going, that would be reoccurring 3. So my final answer, 377 divided by 6 equals 62.833, which is the same as 62 remainder 5.